Before you let anyone touch your hair with a pair of scissors again, I want you to ask yourself one honest question. Is your current haircut actually lifting your face? Or is it quietly adding 10 years to your look without you even realizing it? Welcome back to Vogue After 60, your go-to space for feeling confident, vibrant, and effortlessly stylish in this wonderful chapter of life. I'm your host, and today we are diving deep into a topic almost nobody talks about with enough honesty: the dreaded granny cut. That stiff, round, helmet-like style that sits flat at the crown and drags your facial features down. If you've ever walked out of a salon feeling like your haircut doesn't match the modern, energetic woman you feel like on the inside, you are in the exact right place. In this video, we are breaking down 6 transformative hairstyles specifically designed for women over 60 that restore volume, create natural facelifting angles, and make you look instantly refreshed. Plus, stick around because near the end, we'll also cover 3 subtle haircut mistakes that age hair faster than anything else. Let's start with the root cause of why so many women fall into the haircut trap after 60. Problem number 1. The round helmet shape that mirrors aging features. As we age, our jawline and facial features naturally soften. When you get a short, uniformly round haircut, it actually emphasizes that softness, creating a heavy, tired silhouette with zero visual structure. To fix this, look no further than the architectural bob. Instead of round layers on top, ask for an architectural bob with a sharp, clean perimeter right at or slightly below the chin. By keeping the bottom edge crisp while removing bulk underneath invisibly, this style acts like an immediate frame for your jawline, giving your entire lower face a lifted, defined look. Problem number 2. Loss of density and flatness at the crown. Thinning hair or a change in texture can leave traditional long cuts looking sparse, dragging down your frame and making fine hair look limp. The smartest answer to this is the textured crop. For women who love short hair without looking severe, a soft textured crop is magical. The back and sides are tapered neatly to expose the neckline, while soft, feathered length at the crown builds natural height. If you have natural silver or white hair, this cut celebrates that texture without requiring hours with a round brush. Problem number 3. The dreaded between lengths indecision. You want movement and length, but long, straight hair can pull your features downward and look unstyled. Your best option here is the modern lob. Sitting right between the collarbone and chin, the long bob gives you the elegance of length with built-in polish. The secret here is keeping a blunt perimeter edge so hair looks thick and healthy, combined with internal weight removal so it swishes naturally. Tuck one side behind your ear for an asymmetrical twist that opens up your cheekbones. Problem number 4. Rigid. Overstyled curls that look dated. Tight, spray-heavy curls or uniform perms hold zero movement and scream 1990s rather than modern sophistication. Here is how you handle this. Go for soft, strategic waves. Movement creates youthfulness. Collarbone length cuts styled with loose, relaxed waves starting 2 inches away from the roots give you crown volume without looking stiff. It restores romance and body around the face while softening fine lines. Problem number 5. Harsh. Flat lines around the forehead. A solid, heavy fringe or completely exposed forehead can draw attention directly to forehead lines or thinning hair at the hairline. A brilliant way to solve this is the soft shag with curtain bangs. The modern shag uses subtle diagonal and vertical layers to break up horizontal face lines. Paired with soft curtain bangs that part in the center and sweep outward, it frames the eyes and cheekbones naturally, giving an airy, effortless vibe that is hugely popular right now. Problem number 6. Being afraid to go short for fear of looking too masculine. Many women want low-maintenance short hair, but fear a traditional short pixie might feel too harsh or close-cropped. The ultimate solution for this concern is the modern pixie bob, also known as the Bixie. This hybrid combines the sleek, lifted nape of a pixie with longer, face-framing side pieces. With a soft, side-swept bang across the forehead, it creates dynamic diagonal movement that flatters all face shapes while remaining ultra-chic and easy to style with just a touch of light pomade. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about 3 silent haircut mistakes to avoid. First off, avoid letting stylists use thinning shears. Thinning shears on aging hair often cause fuzzy, frizzy ends. Always ask for point cutting with straight shears instead. Second, never skip heat protection. Aging hair is drier and loses moisture quickly. A quick mist of heat protectant keeps your ends shiny instead of brittle. And finally, Don't wait too long between trims. Architectural lines need precision. A refresh every 6 to 8 weeks keeps your style structured rather than sliding back into a flat shape. Which of these 6 styles caught your eye today? Or do you have a haircut horror story you'd love to warn other women about? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your thoughts and responding to you. If this video gave you a boost of inspiration, please hit that like button and subscribe to Vogue After 60. And tell me, what topic should we cover next week? Style mistakes, wardrobe essentials, or hair color tips? Check out our channel for more videos designed to keep you looking stylish and confident. Thank you for watching and stay fabulous.